Welcome. In front of me is a Hammer Blade V, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now, once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down. You'll have this pop-up with scrollable, screenshot, edit, and share options. Now, after a moment, this will disappear. There we go. So once it disappears, you can find your captured screenshot in your Photos application by navigating into the library and screenshots. And here you can see the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.